I made it home with my Tahoe. I gotta close the sunroof before dark. It's a nice little Tahoe. Tar hole. I towed my car home with it. What a pain in the butt. When my thing didn't work, the cable for the lights had the wrong end here. That has the wrong connection for my taillight wire. But yeah, got home with my Tahoe just before sunset. Let me see here. Can I open the back? How do I open this? Oop. Oh, I got a key. Maybe my fob will do it. Let me see. Yeah, here. Boom. Oh. It lifts itself. So, what are these, separate seats? I don't know. They only got one on each. Oh, no, they're separate. I could have one seat in the back, but I'm going to take these seats and put them over there in that trailer. And then this is going to be caged. The dogs go back here. But, look at this. Jill, where are you going? You're not going anywhere, Jill. Jack, get out of my car. They can get out the back. But let me see, I gotta put the key in and close the roof so I don't leave it open overnight for rain. There, Jill's out. But this thing's really nice. It rode really nice, had lots of power pulling my car up the mountain. Had no trouble going up hills. Boom, boom, Chevrolet. I gotta close the roof. Woo-hoo-hoo. I better turn that down or I get a strike, right? Okay, so see, nice old car. Rear access open. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, manual. This is a 6-speed. And it's a 4x4. And it has XM. It has the navigation. It has the backup camera. Air conditioning works great. It was terrible going up in my car with no air conditioning, and just great ride home. But this controls, more controls, and I don't know what these are yet. And I haven't figured out how to. I got to set up my Bluetooth and stuff. But it's a nice truck.